I don't wanna see her yell. I don't wanna see her yell. Ba 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 ba. L L L L L. I don't wanna see her yell. L. I don't wanna see her yell. But hi, I'm Alex Burch. And one more, and one more, and one more. This is me, my last. I'm 23 years old, and I go to Short Center North. I'm gonna do a video. Huh? What? I'm doing a video. Oh. I'm okay. I'm okay. Anyway. Okay. Anyways, I'm gonna do a what's in my purse video. So let's get started and let's get into the video. I go to Short Center North. This is my wallet. This is my makeup bag. And wait. This will be my last. This is my makeup bag. And my bus pass. And my gum. My Sour Patch Kids gum. And it's dried. And I got my pepper spray. And this is my makeup mirror. And this is my Hello Kitty hand sanitizer. And this is my hand sanitizer. This is my other hand sanitizer. This is my other gum. This is my chocolate wrapper from yesterday. This is my black pen. And this is my hand sanitizer. My chapsticks. But I don't want to show my tampons. And this is my lipstick. And this is my chapstick. And this is my hand sanitizer. And this is my lipstick. And one more my other lipstick. And one more other lipstick. And this is a DMV paper. And this is my Mary Kate lotion. And this is my lollipop from yesterday that I never ate. And this is my lipstick. This is my EOS lip balm.